On our final full day in the south of Fuerteventura, we decided to spend the day on the beach, watching the world go by whilst getting sunburnt. It was truly a glorious and sunny day. However, the following morning there was a yellowish haze on the horizon. This morning we're on the move. We're changing accommodation. We're heading for the north of the island. We're about to leave. Just thought I'd grab one last shot of the town below. Still a bit of hazy cloud covering it. We're packing the car up. Our car is a bit of an ascent from our apartment. So a nice bit of strenuous exercise first thing in the morning. This cat's come to say his farewell.
So, it's Sunday, the something of March. Lost all track. And we have left our first accommodation where we had 4 nights in the south of the island. And now we're heading up to the north of the island near Corralejo, apparently.
Corralejo.
And we're just going to stop at some various sites on the way up. Because where we're going first is to a lighthouse. It was 40 minutes from where we were staying, so we haven't got to come back. We'll just carry on up north and explore the north of the island, and hopefully tomorrow Los Lobos. It's quite hazy today. It's very warm. It's 20, well, it says just said 25 degrees, but now it's saying 22. But it's very pleasant and hazy. We got sunburnt a little bit yesterday, which was very foolish.
Little bit.
Having a lazy day on the beach, but hey ho. We're off exploring today.
Before visiting the island, we thought we'd done all our research. However, no one warned us about the upcoming road to this particular lighthouse. And it's 3 miles along here to the lighthouse.
I hope it's a good lighthouse. There's the lighthouse. It's such a murky day.
It's not just that windscreen then.
Well, the last mile is interesting. There is no room for 2 cars. No idea what you do if you met someone.
Walking down.
Oh my god. Oh, please steer carefully. Oh. God. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, this is the worst road we've been on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right. Let's go first, actually. So if you are planning to come to the lighthouse,
You've got to not mind a tiny road. Oh,
what colour is it? Oh,
it's really not good for my nerves.
not good for my nerves. And I'm driving.
Which is priority going up.
I think so. I think we're here. Well, we were not expecting this. We pick the best days, don't we? Wow. Another car's just arrived. Well, this is probably one of the most impressive lighthouses I've ever seen. This is the road we drove up. It's a great lighthouse to visit. I think it's beautiful actually. But if you don't like narrow roads, I probably wouldn't recommend you drive up here. All those people we saw earlier are running to the bottom. Yeah, seriously, the road up here has big drops and it's very narrow. I probably wouldn't recommend this on a busier day.
So, we've just got to hope and pray. Nothing is
Well,
coming
there's
up.
nothing in the far distance.
No, nothing in the far distance. But this is a scary, scary road. No, there's nothing on its way up at the moment, so hopefully there is pulling in. It's nice of him. Makes the Moggy Dugway looks a breeze, doesn't it?
The road doesn't particularly look safe either, does it?
So, it's 30-degree heat, and these people are deciding to have some little fun run where fun and run and 30-degree heat come into play. God knows. I mean, how are they doing it? They haven't even got water. Most of them are not even carrying water. No, they can't be coming back.
We have arrived, just parked up, and we're at Caleta de Fuste. If you pronounce it like that. Caleta de Fuste. Caleta de Fuste. Caleta de Fuste. Or Caleta de Fuste. It's 30 degrees this morning, and it's March. This time of year in Fuerteventura, it's about 24, 25. It's a little bit hotter for this time of year. We can have a stroll into Caleta de Fuste. exciting mint choc chip. And Elaine has Baileys. You do drink the odd Baileys though, don't you? I might have to carry it back to the car after this tub of Baileys. The airport is pretty near to this resort, but it hasn't been overly obtrusive, gotta say.
We're on a very wide road to our apartment. I think that's the sand dunes ahead. It is. All of that expanse is just sand. A few volcanoes.
This is our accommodation for the next few days. Hola! Well, first impressions, very clean and very modern and very nice. It's a living space. Kitchen, no oven, like our first accommodation. Does have a microwave and a hob. Let me show you around. Have a lovely bathroom. Just looks very modern and fresh. A bedroom. Oh, I like this place. Look at the pictures either side of our bed. Camper van time. Right here is just lovely. So we can relax out here. There's a bar. And we have a swimming pool as well. Free refreshments on arrival. Small beer. Light refreshment. On the house or on the hotel.